Welcome, fellow gardeners, to a topic that promises to revolutionize your approach to growing food. Imagine planting a vegetable just once, then enjoying its bounty year after year with minimal effort. This isn't a dream, it's the reality of perennial vegetables. These incredible plants offer a sustainable, low-maintenance way to boost your harvest. They establish deep root systems, making them more resilient to pests and diseases. Plus, they often emerge earlier in spring, extending your gardening season. Today, we're diving into 5 fantastic vegetables you can plant once and harvest for years. Get ready to discover some true garden workhorses that will keep your kitchen stocked. Let's dig in. First on our list is the king of perennial vegetables, asparagus. Once established, an asparagus patch can produce delicious spears for 20 years or more. It's an investment that truly pays dividends in your garden. Planting asparagus crowns in well-drained soil is key to success. Give them a sunny spot and plenty of space to spread their roots. The first 2 years require patience, as you'll need to resist harvesting to allow the plants to establish. From the 3rd year onwards, you can enjoy tender, fresh asparagus every spring. Simply snap off the spears when they are 6 to 10 inches tall. After the harvest season, let the ferns grow to replenish the plant's energy for next year. Next up is rhubarb, a versatile perennial known for its tart stalks. While often used in desserts, rhubarb is botanically a vegetable. Its robust nature makes it an excellent choice for a low-maintenance perennial patch. Rhubarb thrives in full sun and rich, well-drained soil. Plant bare root divisions in early spring, ensuring the crown is just below the soil surface. Like asparagus, it benefits from a year or 2 of establishment before heavy harvesting. Harvest rhubarb by pulling, not cutting, the mature stalks from the base of the plant. Leave at least 2 leaves per plant to ensure continued growth. Remember, only the stalks are edible. The leaves are toxic and should not be consumed. For a touch of gourmet elegance in your garden, consider globe artichokes. These striking plants produce large, edible flower buds that are a true delicacy. In suitable climates, they can produce for 5 to 10 years. Artichokes prefer full sun and fertile, well-drained soil. They are best grown from root divisions or established plants. While they can be grown from seed, it often takes longer to produce and may not yield true-to-type plants. Harvest the buds when they are firm and tightly closed, before the scales begin to open. Cut the stem about 2 to 3 inches below the bud. After the main harvest, smaller secondary buds may develop, extending your yield. Don't let the name fool you. Jerusalem artichokes are not related to traditional artichokes and are not from Jerusalem. Also known as sunchokes, these plants are a type of sunflower grown for their edible tubers. They are incredibly easy to grow and can be highly prolific. Plant the tubers in spring, about 4 to 6 inches deep in a sunny location. Be warned, sunchokes can spread aggressively, so consider planting them in a contained area or a dedicated bed. They are remarkably tolerant of various soil conditions. Harvest the tubers in late fall after the plants have died back, or even in early spring before new growth begins. Dig them up as needed, leaving some in the ground to regrow for the next season. Their nutty, slightly sweet flavor is excellent roasted or raw. Finally, let's talk about sorrel, a fantastic perennial leafy green. This herb-like vegetable offers a distinctive tangy, lemony flavor that brightens salads, soups, and sauces. It's incredibly hardy and provides fresh greens from early spring until late fall. Sorrel can be grown from seed or by dividing existing plants. It prefers full sun to partial shade and consistently moist soil. Once established, it requires very little attention, making it a perfect low-maintenance addition to your garden. Harvest sorrel leaves regularly by picking the outer, larger leaves. This encourages the plant to produce more new growth. Consistent harvesting prevents the plant from bolting too early, ensuring a continuous supply of its zesty leaves throughout the growing season. There you have it, 5 incredible perennial vegetables that offer continuous harvests with minimal replanting. Asparagus, rhubarb, globe artichokes, Jerusalem artichokes, and sorrel are all fantastic choices for any home gardener looking to reduce work and increase yield. Embracing perennial vegetables is a smart move for a more sustainable and productive garden. They build soil health, provide early season harvests, and reduce the need for annual planting. So, why not give one or more of these long-lived plants a try? Have you grown any of these perennial powerhouses? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gardening insights. Happy planting, and here's to many years of delicious harvests.